Hey friends, it's Miss Penny from Daniel Middle School. I hope you saw my last video where we made dirt cups with worms to celebrate Earth Day. What is Earth Day? Earth Day is a holiday. On Earth Day, people remember to be kind and respectful to the planet. What are some ways to be kind and respectful to the planet? You could use your phone to take pictures of flowers and send them to your friends. Or you could have a picnic in your front yard with your families. One of my favorite ways to celebrate Earth Day is to make desserts that celebrate the earth to share with my family. This is the dirt cup. It has worms. But I also love the ocean, and the ocean is part of the earth too. Let's make an ocean cup. You will need whipped topping with blue food coloring mixed in, cookies that are the color of sand, and little fish-shaped candies. You'll also need a clear cup and a spatula. Well, just like the dirt cup, the first step is the whipped topping. I already put blue food coloring in mine. That was about 7 drops of blue food coloring. I'm going to take a big scoop, and even though I want to eat it, I'm going to put it in my cup instead. Just like that. Next, I'm going to put 2 Nutter Butter cookies in a Ziploc, and I'm going to squeeze it with my hands. I'm going to get big pieces and little pieces. And I'm going to take just some of my Nutter Butters out and put it right on top of that blue whipped topping. And this is what it looks like. Next, another layer of blue whipped topping. I'm going to put that right on top. And next, I'm going to put my cookies, the rest of my cookies, on top of the blue whipped topping. And that's what it looks like when it's all finished. Doesn't that look like ocean water and sand? Well, what's missing? You know, in the ocean there are fish. I love these little red Swedish fish. They taste good, and they look really good in the blue dessert, and they make me feel happy. And this is what our dessert looks like, all finished. Well, I hope you had a great time. It was nice to see you. I hope to see you again real soon. Bye.